Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. This short video tutorial will show you how to number your PDF page labels for better organization in Bluebeam Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. As you can see, this PDF document contains 5 pages in total. The page label in the navigation bar shows the page count, but with the same label as the document name, floor plan. Let's number these pages with a custom prefix by going to the Document menu and clicking the Number Pages option from the dropdown. Here, you can choose numbers, Latin characters, or alphabets to match your preferences. Now set the prefix that will be added before your page numbers. Let's start the page numbering from 2, starting on the second page. In the Page Range section, enter that page number. For multiple pages, use a dash to indicate a range or separate individual pages with commas. Let's number pages from page 2 to 5. Once you are done, click OK. As you can see, the first page label is the same. But if we scroll to the next pages, they are numbered with our custom prefix as BG 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is it for today. Watch our next video on how to add or delete pages from your PDF in Bluebeam Revu 21. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam.